Uh, this is the Bluetooth vibrating bracelet. This has been sent to me by mobilephone.co.uk as a review unit. This is the SmartTime Bluetooth watch. The manual, which does come in handy. And this is the charger that you get along with the USB charger that you get along with the Bluetooth watch. Although I had to buy a converter, but yes, they do provide one charger. This is a USB charger. Alright. Just a quick overview. This is SmartTime Bluetooth watch. It displays the mobile number of the incoming call, not the name, just the mobile number. It has two side buttons. This one is for powering on the device, as well as pairing the device, as well as displaying the current time. This is the current time, this is the battery levels, and this small indicator on the left hand side, it indicates the current pairing position. It has been paired with my device earlier. Alright, I'll give you a short demo as to how this actually works. So I have paired this with my Samsung Galaxy S2. I'll be dialing a number. I'll be getting a call on this phone. You can see I'm getting a call. It is not displaying the number, the Techworm, it's not displaying the name, just the number, and the vibration is continuous, which I've mentioned in the review that an intermittent vibration would have been great. Okay, so yeah, again it goes back to its normal state. The grip is quite good. You won't be feeling any sort of I'm not getting the word for it. You'll be actually comfortable in wearing this device. A fashion gadget, I should say. Anyhow, moving on. This is the charger that you need to connect in order to charge the batteries. So I am a bit skeptical about this charger. The reason being, as you can see, these two pins that they need to be inserted here. I've been using it for a while now, and although I haven't faced any problems, but I do believe that this is going to be an issue after 2 or 3 months, since the build quality is not that great. But still, for a price of £25, it is a good buy, and I would recommend it to my viewers as well as readers. For a complete review, please visit my blog techworm.com. Thank you.